I know. So just lay her down a little bit lower so that she won't spit any of that. Good. Lots of juices in there, madam. Oh, would you like to suck it? Goes down. No. So a little bit lower again. That's good. Oh, no. She still wants to sleep. So head down. Okay. Well done. Little bits at a time. You've got your tongue's working overtime now. Good girl. Big swallow. Right. Because sometimes babies, it's hard for them to swallow. They like to suck and swallow. So it's just lots of juices in there. You're only little. Yes, you're only little. Good girl. Big swallow. Good girl. A little bit more. A little bit more. I think you need to swallow. Yes, not the normal. Oh yes, you're very cheeky. Yes, you are. Good girl. I know. Big mean people. We're not good cooks either. Yes, tastes terrible. Yes, pink tongue. Yes, it's beautiful. Let it just slide down. Yes, yes, yes. I know. I think it's all in your mouth. Yes, I think Mum's right. She's right. Do you think she swallowed?
I think she swallowed.
Yes, I think it might. Yeah. Okay, that was a good part. So we'll sit her up in the middle of you, facing me. So just turn her around. That's it. And if you sit back in the chair and just hold her hands to her chest, so nice and firm. We're going to put some band-aids across the spots. Just take them off next nappy change, okay? Here we go. Sorry, Jess. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Well done. Oh, wow. Good girl. Yes. One more. So your hand just up a little bit. Well done. Oh. Well done, Bubby. So just turn around. Give her a big hug.